What is up there, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to be replacing spark plugs on my 06 Acura Rsx Type S. Now this is one of the easiest things that you can do it by yourself at home. One of the easiest tune-up that you can do it by your home, I should say. So yeah, other than that, let's get this video rolling. Alright, so the tools I'm going to be using today are 3/8 wrench, 3/8 extension, torque wrench, and these are the spark plug sockets. So every car is different. For spark plug sockets, it depends what kind of car you drive. So for example, for my car, it's going to be taking 5/8 spark plug socket. Some of them can be 9/16 or 13/16, which is 21mm. So it depends on your vehicle what spark plug sockets that you're going to be using. So yeah, but this time for my vehicle, it's going to be 5/8, so that's what I'm going to be using today. And 10mm bolt for my ignition coil bolt, and I'm going to be, to order to take that off, I'm going to be using a power gun tool. So do not ever use power gun tool when you're installing a spark plug. That's the only thing. So yeah. And a spark plug gapping tool. Grease and anti-seize spark plug that I'm going to be using today, or one of them are dielectric grease. This goes on the bottom of the ignition coil and also on top of the spark plug. You just grease it a little bit so it doesn't get stuck on there next time when you do spark plug and taking them out. So, and also the top of your spark plug doesn't get rusted on. So I'm gonna show you all that when I'm installing it. So yeah. The next one will be anti-seize. This is copper anti-seize. You can use the silver anti-seize as well. And of course the spark plug. This is NGK Laser Iridium Premium Spark Plugs. And I got this at O'Reilly for right around 60 bucks or so for all four of them. And it comes with pre-gap, so yeah. Okay, so I said I'm gonna be using anti-seize, but if you do have a regular vehicle, or if you just have the regular NGK spark plug, then use anti-seize. But since mine is a laser iridium, NGK do not require to put any anti-seize on there. So, and this is also a chrome finish. Here, let me focus on there. And this is a chrome finish on the thread part, so you're not supposed to use anti-seize at all. And if you do use an anti-seize on a laser iridium plugs, you can over torque them and you can crack the head. So that'll be no bueno. So alright, so the first thing you want to do before installing a spark plug is you want to check the gapping measurement, how much gapping is there. But as you guys can see, when I open up the box, there's this little cap right here, which means it has been pre-gapped from the factory. So it should be all good, but I'll just in case like to check. So the pre-gap for this spark plug is supposed to be from 0.039 inches to 0.043 inches. You're going to be using metric. It's going to be 1mm to 1.1mm. So for the Rsx Type S. Alright, so let's measure the spark plug gap. And the very important thing you want to do is you don't want to damage this laser iridium tip. If you damage this, you have to get a new one. So let's measure this. Be very gentle with it. So I'm going to be measuring this, and it's at 0.041. So this is good. So it's between 0.039 and 0.043. So this spark plug is good. Alright, so this is the second spark plug that I'm going to be checking. This is at 0.041 inches. Okay, so this is passed, so this is good also. So let's check the third spark plug where it's at 0.041. So that's good. Alright, this is passed as well. Alright, the last spark plug, spark plug number 4. This should be fine as well. I'm gonna guess it's at 0.041. Let's see, where is it at? 0.040. Okay, well this is passed. This is good anyway. So it's between 0.039 to 0.043. So that's good. Alright, now I'm gonna be starting installing the spark plug, and I'm gonna be taking this 10mm bolt for the ignition coil bolt. So yeah, let's get that started here. I realize I'm gonna be needing a longer 10mm socket. So this guy's fine. I have to do about the fourth one. You need to come out very gently. Yes, there you go. And then I gotta unplug this part. There you go. Wow, it is actually really clean. I think the previous owner replaced it recently. It's all rusted, so that's no bueno. I should replace the ignition coil as well. But this time, I'm just gonna replace the spark plug, so it should be good. Next time, I should definitely replace the ignition coil, so yeah. One more tip, if there's oil inside of your spark plug, then that means your valve cover gasket is leaking inside internally, so you want to replace the valve cover gasket. So you want to do that first before you put in the new spark plug, because even if you put new spark plug in, after all, you still have to replace the spark plug and the valve cover gasket. So alright, now I'm gonna be taking out the old spark plug out using a 5/8 spark plug socket, an extension, and a 3/8 wrench. So I'm gonna stick that in there and snug, that's on, and then now it should be really loose to take that off. Wow, the previous owner put that on very tight. That's not good at all. Wow, that is very tight on there. That is not good. Alright, so now it should come out. Alright, easy there. Oh wow. Yeah, there's some carbon buildup, but looks like previous owner replaced it recently. So, but it seems like the previous owner used the same spark plug as the one that I got, the NGK laser iridium plug, but man, this thing is dirty. That's carbon's build up there. Alright, so before I put the spark plug into the engine, I would like to put a little tiny electric grease here so it doesn't get rusted on the tip. So yeah, that should be good. Alright, so when you put the spark plug in, you want to be really gentle with this. Just stop. First you want to do hand tight. Alright, so I can't go any further, so I'm going to be using a torque wrench. I'm going to be torquing this down to 18 foot-pound. Very gentle. Alright, so that should be tight right around here. There you go. So when it clicks, don't go any further. That's good. Alright, so I'll take it out. And that's one. Now put the ignition coil back in. And also don't forget to put the 10mm bolt back in. There it is. That should be good. And pretty much you're just going to be doing the same thing on all four of them. Second one done. It runs great, it idles great. K20 Z1 engine. Woo! Power! Other than that, that'll do for today's video. If you guys enjoy this spark plug video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Other than that, if you subscribe to my channel, you already know what's coming. Peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.